Look up at the night sky. Every star you see is living on borrowed time. From tiny sparks in cosmic nurseries to massive explosions, this is the epic life and death story of stars. Our journey begins in the vast, dark spaces between stars. Here, giant clouds of gas and dust float silently, cosmic nurseries holding the seeds of future stars. Over millions of years, gravity pulls this material together. As the core gets denser and hotter, something amazing happens. Hydrogen atoms start fusing into helium, releasing a burst of energy. A star is born. Let's take a closer look. The Orion Nebula is one of these stellar nurseries, visible to the naked eye as a faint patch in the night. Through a telescope, it comes alive with countless newborn stars. Or visit the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula, towering columns of gas sculpted by the light of nearby stars, glowing in stunning colors. Once a star ignites, it enters the longest phase of its life, the main sequence. Our sun is there right now, fusing hydrogen into helium at its core. Small stars like red dwarfs burn fuel slowly, living for hundreds of billions of years. Massive stars, though, blaze through their fuel in just a few million years. Eventually, every star runs out of hydrogen. For a star like our sun, the core shrinks and heats up while the outer layers expand, swelling into a red giant so big it could swallow Mercury and Venus. As it sheds its outer layers, it creates a stunning planetary nebula. At the center, a white dwarf remains, about the size of Earth, but incredibly dense. But massive stars meet a far more dramatic fate. They fuse heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, all the way up to iron. Once iron forms, fusion stops. Gravity takes over. In less than a second, the core collapses, triggering a supernova, one of the most violent explosions in the universe. For a moment, that star can outshine an entire galaxy. What's left? If the core is small, it becomes a neutron star, a city-sized sphere with unimaginable density. But if it's massive enough, it collapses further into a black hole, a region of space where not even light can escape. And here's the most beautiful part. The material scattered by dying stars becomes the building blocks of new stars, planets, and life. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the carbon in your cells, all forged in stellar furnaces. As Carl Sagan said, we are made of star stuff. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, you are connected to that distant light in the deepest possible way. The universe is a cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, and we are part of its story. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, hit that subscribe button. Drop your favorite star fact in the comments.